In a severe weather alert, one avalanche forecaster in Oregon is now dead after he triggered an avalanche while skiing. 37-year-old Nick Burks and a friend went backcountry skiing last week on Gunsight Mountain. According to avalanche.org, 11 people have been killed in an avalanche in the U.S. So if you are wanting to enjoy our snowy areas, remember to do it safely. According to the United States Forest Service, there are multiple ways you can be prepared for an avalanche. First, bring an avalanche transceiver, which helps others find you. Then have avalanche probes, ski poles. Also have a shovel, a backpack, and a partner.